My name is Wayne Kroll. Now, before we start, if you don't know anything about me, I absolutely love paid traffic more than anything else. But I know how hard it is to have the money to put in paid traffic and get it working. So what I've done with the help of two of my friends is we've created a product called Traffic Nemesis. This is the exact train I used myself to get over 400 comments on one of my Facebook group posts, which led to sale after sale, and how I made one Facebook post and made close to $40,000. This training is step by step. You don't have to watch video after video after video, or do we complicate it? We've made this as easy to understand as possible. Now, it's very important that you jump on this right now, because you want to use this before anyone else does, because these techniques are super powerful. Not only does it include training to get free traffic from your Facebook profile, it's also about Facebook groups and about Facebook stories. And this training for your groups and your stories is absolutely brand new and not shown anywhere else. So grab your copy, click below and grab your copy today, and I'll see you inside our group where we help each other grow and help each other make more and more commissions online. See you on the inside.